for giving me this opportunity. I like to support the motion of a teacher is better than a doctor. Because every teacher, engineer, lawyer, they started in a classroom. Without teachers, there would be no doctor. Because doctors are richer than teachers. I disagree with Leon because even teachers are richer. Oppose another point from proposers. Thank you, Madam Speaker, for giving me this opportunity. I want to support a motion that says a teacher is better than a doctor because a teacher can teach what a doctor cannot.
Be loud enough.
Order. Doctor is better than a teacher because if there were no doctor, all the teachers will die because doctor kills the teachers. Order. Madam Speaker, because of what said, teachers better than a doctor because a teacher can teach a doctor more. Louder. I want to support opposers by saying I disagree with them because even doctors can teach teachers how to take care of themselves so they cannot find diseases. Thank you, Madam Speaker, for giving me this opportunity. I like to support a motion that says a teacher is better than a doctor because one teacher teaches thousands of students over their career while a doctor cannot. Order. Because a doctor. Order.
Wait. Toa watu nje.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, Madam, for giving me this opportunity that says a teacher is better than a doctor because a teacher is clever than a doctor. Yes. Thank you, Madam Speaker. Order proposers. Thank you, Madam Speaker, for giving me this opportunity to talk. I want to say a doctor is better than a teacher because without a doctor, you will not be here.
Reason?
How?
Because when you get disease and the doctor will treat you.
Order. Start.
Yes, amesema bado repeat. Yes.
Yes.
A doctor is better than a teacher because without a doctor you won't be here. Because when you get diseases, the doctor will treat you.
Because
Yes, Chandra. I want to disagree with them because even without a teacher, you could have not even known how to go to the toilet.
Exactly.
Going from here, from this MP.
Proposals.
We have a member of parliament here.
Yes, doctor.
Yes, deputy speaker, assist your speaker.
Yes, Dr. Ken. Thank you, Madam Speaker, for giving me some I'm a fellow from Kenyatta International Health Hospital. I want to say that doctors are better than teachers because they have knowledge and they can cure Ebola. Louder, order. Thank you, Madam Speaker, for giving me this opportunity. Louder. A teacher is better than a doctor because a teacher is interested in health, hygiene, drugs, morals, but a doctor cannot. Teacher can educate on health, hygiene, drugs, morals, but a doctor cannot. Louder. My name is Dora. I am here to support the Order. Start. A child could not be born. I'm here to support the emotion that say a teacher is better than a doctor because a teacher is a doctor.
Be loud enough.
Order. Louder.
Again? Teachers cannot? To be doctors.
Oh, you are receiving.
Thank you, Madam Speaker, for giving me this opportunity.
Because?
Madam, thank you, Madam, for giving me this opportunity. I would like to say, without a teacher, a doctor will not be there.
Good.
Louder.
We have a member of parliament here. Yes. We have this boy.
Thank you, Madam Speaker, for giving me this opportunity. I like to disagree with Emmanuel because, Manuel, who made you to be a doctor? Who teaches you to be a doctor so that you can get A? Disagree with you, Belinda, because if you taught me to be a doctor, why don't you be a doctor?
Yeah. Give this boy a point.
Yes,
Wacha irudi hapa kwanza kidogo.
Thank you, Madam Speaker, for giving me this opportunity. I like to disagree
Order.
with Ken.
Order. Start Belinda.
Thank you, Madam Speaker, for giving me this opportunity. I like to disagree with you, Ken, because what did Ken say?
Ken, can you stand up and repeat?
For giving me this opportunity, I like to disagree with you, Ken, because I'm the one who chose my career to be a teacher.
Yes.
Yes.
Dr. Shanice. Thank you, Madam Speaker, for giving
opportunity, I want to say when the
Order,
teacher
order.
who will treat her.
Pardon.
Again.
Thank you, Madam Speaker, for giving me this opportunity. I want to say when the teacher is pregnant, who will treat her. I like to say without a say you cannot know how to read.
Yes.
Thank you, Madam Speaker, for giving me
Order, order.
say
Forward,
a teacher is better. A doctor is better than a teacher because, like, there's no doctor, a teacher cannot treat people that have Ebola.
Order.
Wewe nilisema 3 months hiyo kama ni doctors. Wameka 3 months.
Yes. Thank you, Madam.
Wacha kulala.
Give me this opportunity. I want to say that
Louder.
prevention is better than cure. A good teacher can stop issues before a doctor has to treat them.
Yes. Yes.
Sauti.
I wanted to support the person by saying when the doctor could be not there, when the teacher could be jumping with both their kids. When the teacher's team could be drumming, could be watching for them so they can be clean. Give me this opportunity. I like to disagree with Sasha because who taught you to clean the teeth of
The
patients?
Exactly.
Order. Order. Louder.
Unataka pia kelele hapa. Wewe, unaona huko nyuma huko? Nyuma kae vizuri huko. Sasa naye.
Pardon, Manuel.
If you are taught, why don't you treat your
I'm the one who chose I was teaching by my fellow teachers to teach you how to clean a teeth. And you are the one who chose the career to be a doctor to treat them.
Yes, that's the point.
Exactly.
Need this opportunity, I want to say when the doctor could be not here, how could be giving the teacher right medicine? You cannot be able to write.
Louder.
A doctor is better than a teacher because a doctor even can teach really sick.
Yes, repeat it. Order, order.
Wewe, kelele iko hapa.
Thank you, Madam Speaker, for giving me this opportunity. I like to support the notion of teachers better than a doctor because teachers shape the mind, value, and future of the revelation, but the doctor cannot.
Yes.
Louder.
Wewe, ndio naongea hapa. Ndio kwa point.
I like to say that a doctor is better than a teacher because if a teacher fell down, a teacher will treat, a doctor will treat him by giving him
What you are doing? Throw die.
Thank you, Madam Speaker, for giving me this opportunity. I'm supporting opposers. I'm saying doctors are better than teachers because doctors have so many IQ than a teacher. For giving me this opportunity, I like to say teacher has given them the point. I like to say that a teacher is better than a doctor because teachers said where doctors can't reach.
Yes.
I like to say that I like to support the motion that a teacher is better than a doctor because teachers said where doctors can't reach. I like to say a teacher has a good handwriting than a doctor.